How to delete your TikTok account using your PC. Here in your TikTok homepage, on the left side, okay, go to Profile. Here in Profile, you can see here the gear icon. Okay, you can click the gear icon, and now here you can see the manage account on the left side. Okay, you can go to this and manage account. You can see the account control. So you can see here the delete account, and on the right side of this you can see the delete button. Okay, you can click this and the pop-up are show. Now you can delete your account. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days and won't be visible to the public. During the activation, you can reactivate your TikTok account anytime. After 30 days, your account and data will be deleted permanently. So if you delete your account, you won't be able to log in and use any TikTok services with that account, and so on. And okay, you'll have to do to delete your account is click the continue button on the pop-up to delete your account on your PC. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.